Welcome back, my dear student. Now we have came to end of our first unit, that is topic 9, dynamics of innovation at firm level. So that this is our last topic, my dear student, of unit 1, and today we are successfully going to complete our unit 1 of innovation and technology management. I hope till here every topic is clear to you. Before I start this topic, dynamics of innovation at firm level, my dear student, I am going to get you back to the previous two topics which we have discussed just before it. One was technological change, we have completed it, and after that we have completed technological changes dynamics, and after that we have moved to our topic, that is dynamics of innovation at firm level. I hope till here every topic is clear to you, my dear student. So student, dynamics of innovation at firm level, what this topic means. Dynamics means the application or the practices of the innovation at firm level in any firm. How innovation is being used, why innovation is being used, why innovation is playing so important role, so vital role in development of every organization. So to find all the answer of this question, we need to properly concentrate and study this topic, that is dynamics of innovation at firm level. So my dear student, it is divided into 4 categories which we are going to read one by one. The 4 categories are as follows. I hope this topic is clear to you, this picture is clear to you. I am going to share the notes, so don't worry if it is not visible. So these are the 4 dynamics of innovation at firm level. The very first is problem recognition. Then second is technology choice. The third is divided into 2 categories, that is solution development, which is having sub points innovation and adoption. Then the last is commercialization and implementation. So my dear student, these are the 4 dynamics of innovation at firm level. Now we are going to study each and every point one by one, and what is dynamics of innovation level, that also. For that we need to go to our next page. Just a minute. Okay, here we go. The very first topic, dynamics of innovation at firm level. First we are going to study what is the meaning of this point. The dynamics of firm level means the value of innovation in the development of any firm or organization. As I said earlier, my dear student, dynamics means the application of the values in the organization for the development. Look, my dear student, if we are happy and satisfied with the old technology or the old procedure, we need not to bring any change into our organization if we are working successfully by using the old technology or the techniques. So that is not required from us to change the technology in a frequent manner. Why? Because it requires lots of huge capital investment. So every firm try to avoid the unnecessary capital investment. So if we are having any problem, then only we move to technological change. So this was the dynamics of technology innovation at firm level. Now we are going to discuss each and every point of dynamics at firm level here. The dynamics of innovation at firm level are as follows: problem recognition, then technology choice, then solution development, and then commercialization and implementation. First we are going to start with problem recognition. So my dear student, problem recognition means, as I told you, that technology can be changed unless and until we are not going to have problem with the old technology. No technology is going to be changed unless until the firm is going to face any problem in the old technology. So when the old technology become the problem, we recognize the problem कि हमारा प्रोडक्शन क्यों कम हो रहा है। भाई वो टेक्नोलॉजी जो है प्रॉपर काम नहीं कर रही। भाई आज हमने बोला था कि ये रिसर्च रिपोर्ट कंप्लीट हो जानी चाहिए थी, आपने क्यों कंप्लीट नहीं करी? सर सॉफ्टवेयर जो है बहुत स्लोली काम कर रहा है, तो मेरा काम रुक गया। तो सॉफ्टवेयर जो आपका स्लोली काम कर रहा है, दैट इज़ प्रॉब्लम, माय डियर स्टूडेंट, एंड वी हैव रिकॉग्नाइज दैट प्रॉब्लम कि इसको अगर हमने सॉल्व नहीं किया तो हमारी रिपोर्टिंग जो है स्लो हो जाएगी। तो उसको स्लो करने के लिए हम सॉफ्टवेयर को क्या करते हैं बेटा, चेंज करते हैं अपडेटेड सॉफ्टवेयर से। दैट इज़ प्रॉब्लम रिकॉग्निशन, और उस प्रॉब्लम के लिए जो हम सॉल्यूशन ढूंढते हैं वो कहलाता है सेकंड पॉइंट, टेक्नोलॉजी चॉइस। अब भाई हमारा सॉफ्टवेयर स्लो है, वहाँ तक बात ठीक है, पर ऐसा कौन सा सॉफ्टवेयर है जो हमारे कंपनी को सूट करेगा, हमारे एम्प्लॉयज़ को सूट करेगा, आपके लेवल को सूट करेगा बेटा, ये सबको हम देखते हैं। तो उस अल्टरनेट को जब हम एक दूसरे से इवेल्युएट करते हैं, दैट प्रोसेस इज नोन एज टेक्नोलॉजी चॉइस. We go through various numbers of technology, and out of that we select the best technology which is compatible to our company and which is suitable to our capital budget. So that was technology choice. तो पहला था प्रॉब्लम रिकग्निशन. प्रॉब्लम पहले ऑकर होता है, उस प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने के लिए हम टेक्नोलॉजी की सर्च करते हैं, और जब हम टेक्नोलॉजी सर्च करते हैं देन वी फाइंड द सॉल्यूशन, एंड द बेस्टेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी इज बीन सेलेक्टेड इन दिस पर्टिकुलर प्रोसेस इज नोन एज टेक्नोलॉजिकल चॉइस. We are going to get various options. Suppose we are having 5 friends. 5 friends are going to tell us 5 technology, but it is not possible for us to implement all 5 technologies. So what we are going to do now, dear student, we are going to select any one, and that any one selection is known as technological choice. Once the problem is identified, the suitable technology for solving the problem is selected from the available technologies. That is called technology choice. I hope these 2 points is clear to you. First is problem recognition, then technological choice. Then we move further to third point. Third point is divided into 2 subcategories, my dear student. Third point is known as solution development. Under it we are going to cover first point, that is innovation. Now it is clear. Innovation, the solution can be the innovation every firm try to innovate first before adoption. बेटा देखिए, जब भी कोई टेक्नोलॉजी प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट करता है, हमारे पास 2 ऑप्शन है. पहले तो हम ये प्रयास करते हैं कि उस टेक्नोलॉजी को हम बदलाव करके हमें उसे रिप्लेस ना करना पड़े, क्योंकि नया टेक्नोलॉजी ख़रीदने में हमें बहुत इन्वेस्टमेंट आता है. तो पहले बनते तक हम ये कोशिश करते हैं कि वी शुड रिपेयर इट और वी शुड मॉडिफाई इट. इफ़ बाई मॉडिफिकेशन आवर वर्क इज़ गोइंग टू कंप्लीटेड, देन वी नीड नॉट टू डू द एडेप्शन प्रोसेस. बट इफ़ द इनोवेशन इज़ पॉसिबल, अगर उस टेक्नोलॉजी में इनोवेशन पॉसिबल है, कुछ नया ऐड करने से वो काम चल जाएगा, देन वी नीड नॉट टू purchase any new technology, my dear student. तो first we look for the innovation, feature, modification, updation. अगर उसके बाद भी काम नहीं बनता है, and even after that we are not able to get the good result, then we move further to adoption. Adoption means now we are going to adopt new technology, means खरीदना या acquire करना. Adoption, we are going to go for adoption. अब हमको खरीदना ही पड़ेगा बेटा. Now we cannot modify the technology. Now we are not able to work by modification, updation and any other supervision or modification. So what we need to do is we need to adopt. चलो भाई, अब तो हमको नई टेक्नोलॉजी खरीदनी ही पड़ेगी, इसके अलावा हमारे पास कोई ऑप्शन नहीं बचता है. दैट लास्ट ऑप्शन इज़ नोन एज एडॉप्शन. आई होप टिल हियर एवरीथिंग इज़ क्लियर टू यू. नाउ वी मूव फर्दर टू आवर फोर्थ स्टेज, विच इज़ कमर्शियलाइजेशन एंड इम्प्लीमेंटेशन. My dear student, commercialization. In this way, commercialization, we try to bring new technologies to the market. Commercialization का मतलब होता है बेटा, whatever technologies we have purchased, we are going to introduce into the market. We are going to explore it into the market. Why? Because the technology has been created for the customer. So we need to share it with the customer by preparing the products, by preparing the services, and through this we can properly explore the technology into the society. That process is known as commercialization. मतलब उस मशीन से पैसे कमाना. The last, implementation. Once technology is suitable to us. Sorry student, I am losing my command and my pronunciation. I am having certain problem to that. Implementation, to bring the technology into the effect for the use. Once we have studied the technology, we have acquired the technology, we have adopted the technology, we have commercialized it. Now we need to bring the technology into the effect for the preparation of the product. हम मशीन को ख़रीद तो चुके हैं, उस पर पैसे लगा चुके कमर्शलाइज़ करके, अब हमें उस मशीन का उपयोग करना है बेटा. दैट इज़ कॉल्ड इम्प्लीमेंटेशन. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू अप्लाई दैट मशीनरी एंड टेक्नोलॉजी फॉर द डेवलपमेंट of our organization to bring proper and complete technological change. So my dear student, how technological change is going to be implemented? First is invention. We can invent the new technology. Second is innovating. अगर हमें invent नहीं करना है, पुराने को ही हम modify करके काम चला सकते हैं, तो innovation. And the last is diffusion. उस टेक्नोलॉजी को मार्केट में एक्सप्लोर करना. So dear student, here I am completing topic number 9, last topic of innovation and technology management. Here are the things we have gone through, dynamics of